Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about adding positive and negative numbers, and we want to find each sum. So, if I was given this expression, negative 1/3 plus a negative 3/5, and I wanted to add them together, well, I wanted to find a common denominator, and now I know 3 and 5, the two denominators here that I'm adding together, they both go into 15. 5 3 times and 3 5 times. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the right side here by 3 over 3 because 3 over 3 is essentially 1, and any number times 1 is itself. This side here, I'm going to multiply by 5 over 5. Okay, and what this allows me to do when I multiply across, multiply the bases here, 5, we multiply the numerator, then multiply the denominator. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, and 5 times 3 is 15. The right side here, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, and 5 times 3 is 15, and we have the same base as what we wanted. Now that we have the same base, when we add them together, we keep the base the same, but the numerator is what changes. We add the two numerator numbers. So negative 5 plus a negative 9, they're both negative, so it goes into the negative direction as negative 14. And so my final answer is negative 14 plus 15. We treat it as if it was just like positive, right? 5 plus 9 is 14, but they're both negative. Negative 5 plus negative 9 is negative 14. So let's recap. We started with negative 1/3 and we added a negative 3/5 to it. Well, we needed a common denominator, and that common denominator was 15. Both 5 and 3 went into that. So I multiplied the right side by 3 over 3, which is just 1, and 5 over 5, which is also 1. 5 over 5 is, when I multiply out, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, and 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, 5 times 3 is 15. Now that we have the same base, we worry about the numerators, right? When we add them together, the same base comes down, which is 15, and negative 5 plus negative 9 is negative 14, giving us a final answer of negative 14 over 15.